welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. Don't mind the way I am looking right now because the problem of my heater has not been solved. It's going to 3 weeks now. We've ordered it, but it has not been delivered, so we are living like that. I cannot just wait till when I receive heaters before filming videos. The work must go on, so that is why I'm dressed up like this, just to cover up. So that is it, guys. So today I'll be working with this hair from GEETA 100% human hair. Let me bring it out. Came with just wig cap. So this is a wig. It's 24 inches and it's 13 by 4 lace wig. Is it 13 by 4, 13 by 6? You can check the description box. I'm going to put the link to this unit on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out. It came pre-plucked, the hairline, and there's a lace at the back. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap and some combs as well. Okay, 2 here by the side, and it's 13 by 4. Okay. To be spray on my hairline. So I spray like 2 to 3 times, then I'll blow it to dry. Hypnotized by you, hey. All the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
my phone. Yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up.
I'm going to use water to wet it. So I'm going to lose it from it. I did not wait for long. I just hope it's dry now.
To do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
So I did the baby hair off camera. I'm going to lose it now.
You off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So
the hair, there was little shedding. You guys know curly hair shed a lot, but this one there was just little shedding, and there was no tangle. See, little shedding compared to her curly hair shed. This is nothing. Okay, so that is it. Please, gorgeous, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys in my next one. I'm going to leave all the details of this week on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Bye.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just